welcome back to the channel. This week I've been fiddling with the T4 again because there's a couple of bits of paintwork I wasn't too happy about. So I've redone a couple of bits of paintwork and I've realised that the paint was gone off enough, so I've been flattening and polishing it. So I'm just alternating between doing this and golf at the moment. But yeah, repainted the wing because there was a little bit up here I wasn't really happy about. So I redone the whole thing. What's going on with my camera today? Oh no, still like it. God knows what that's all about. But yeah, I redid the wing, so that's going off now. It went back, as I said, went back in the booth and did that. And also redone this back corner because I had a bit that was just gone just down the bottom there. The lights in here are crap today. I still ain't got the spotlights on, but apologise about that. But yeah, this side I've gone 1200 grit, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000 grit. And the first stage of machine polishing, I've got to go through another, about at least 3 more stages yet. But as you can see, it's coming up. Well, you can still see where I still got machine polish a few bits out. But yeah, the shine's coming. She's coming right up now. That's dirty as well at the moment, I just noticed because it's been parked outside all night. But yeah, she's getting there. Shine's definitely coming back on it. That's with no polish or anything on there whatsoever. That is just literally bare paint, so you can imagine it's just going to get darker and darker and darker. But as you can see, these sides still, there's a paint of it, these sides still going through the flattening stages and stuff. But before I get on with that today, while I was at work this morning, I popped off and grabbed something which I found on Marketplace. Once again, it was another one of those bargains that you can't really leave alone. So this is one of the ones I grabbed it quickly. The bloke literally was inundated with messages and messages and messages about them. So let's show you guys what I'm going on about. And there we go, guys. Set of Oz Racing Dare F5s. They're staggered fitment. So you got this thing is 7.5 inches on the front, 8.5 inches on the back. You can see the difference in height. Multi-fit, the 5x112 and 5x120, so they're fit on quite a few things. What the hell just fell down on there? Oh, a piece of wood. But yeah, so they go on that. They need a bit of reconditioning and stuff, but they would look the absolute nuts when they're cleaned up and stuff. But yeah, so nice little polished lip on the outside there. I absolutely love Dare F5s. Ideally wanted a set of Dare F6s, but yeah, the money F6s are making at the moment, there's not a chance I'd ever do that, and I never, to be honest with you, thought I was ever going to manage to get a set of F5s, but I have, and they were stupid cheap. I don't think the bloke really knew what they were worth, hence why he was inundated with God knows how many comments and messages and stuff like that. But I want them, believe it or not, to go on the T4. I think they're going to look the absolute nuts. The ET35 fitment, so they should just poke a little bit more, but on the front they're narrower than that, and the back they're wider, so I should fill the arch staggering bit out. Should fill the actual arch poke out a bit, because everybody knows on T4s, the later ones, the front track is wider than the rear track, so it should just hopefully pull a bit out of there and stuff like that. And I've got tyres sat. Got tyres sat over in the corner there on a set of wheels, which I go straight on it. So yeah, that's not the option, not an issue. So just for now, I'm going to, well, as you can see, it's already ready to be jacked up. I'm going to jack it up and try them on. So let's try them on all together and see what they look like. Well, that didn't go to plan. Wheels are meant to be 5x120 and 5x112. Turns out they're 5x120 and 5x100. So they don't fit on there, which is 5x112, unfortunately. So this I'll be selling a set of Dare F5s. It's a shame because they're absolute nuts when you held one up against it. fills the arch out properly and the rest of it. So if anybody knows of another set of Dare F5s or anything else or so, 17-inch staggered fitment, or another set of deep dish wheels with a chrome outer ring, or stainless outer ring, let me know. Stick it in the comments section below, because I definitely know 100% want them now, because they look the absolute nuts on there. So yeah, let me put the foam van back together and then work out what rest I'm going to get up to for the rest of the day. I think it's going to be machine polishing the other side, so yeah, I'll just get on with that in a minute. A bit disappointing now, to be honest with you, but life goes on and stuff. But alright, let me crack on what I was doing a minute ago and get this thing back on the ground. Apologise guys, I've had my head up my backside since these wheels and stuff didn't really fit and stuff. I've set my anxiety off and it feels like I've just been letting all you lot down, letting myself down, and just generally putting me down. I really want to be making some real good content for you guys. I thought there would be, because I was going to be reconditioning the wheels on the channel and everything else, showing you how to polish the lips up, etc. But that ain't going to happen no more. I got my head right up my backside. I've taken them back actually to the person I bought them from and got my money back out of them. So I just, yeah, it is what it is. It's a genuine mistake by the guy and stuff. So I can't hold him against it and stuff. So I just came back and buried my head into doing a couple of stages with a polisher in my hand, losing myself in that and stuff. But yeah, as you just seen on the time lapse, it's what you got there. I'll try to see with a light, I'll try to get a good bit. As you can see, the shine starting to come back. That's was all like flatted, as you've seen. I've gone over it with the rotary one there with extreme 3M extreme cut, and then we went over it with the DA with a firm hex logic pad doing exactly the same thing. And as you can see now, all the surface scratch and stuff is a bit hazy at the moment because it's still got a layer of polish into it. I've still got another couple of stages to go through. But I'm going to get the whole of this panel and then panels to the same stage as what I got, and then I'll show you guys what on the next stage, and yeah, go from there. But yeah, once again guys, just apologise. Just want to make you guys some good content, but yeah, seems like I can't at the moment. But anyway, I'm going to get on with polishing. I'll be back shortly. About 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Yeah, something like that. Later, I've got it to this stage, which is all the through, like you've seen that one, but it's all done all the way along now. Apart from the wing, because the wing's just been painted, so I've got to leave that to go off a bit longer. But we got it to that stage. So the next stage we go on to, which is the stuff that I find is absolute crap, but it's what I've got and it's what I'm going to use. It's Autosmart's Evo Plus Adaptive, which gives you, as you can see there, quite a good gloss. It's got quite a good abrasive to it, but you just it carries on working. It's meant to remove, well, P1500 swirls. Well, yeah, I don't believe it, because it never does with me. So yeah, no water or anything else with it. I never use water with any of them anyway. Most of them have got the enough lubrication inside them anyway. So it's now just trying to get rid of some of the hologram marks and stuff like that, because if you look there you can probably see a haziness to it still, which is like the hologram and stuff like that. So yeah, let me stick you on time lapse, and I go one panel with you on time lapse, or I might even do the whole side on time lapse, and yeah, we'll see what it comes out like at the end. At the moment I'm still not going to be putting any polish on it whatsoever, because I want the paint still to be able to breathe a bit more. I ain't doing the same as what I did the other day, and made the paint start to react, hence why I've been doing it this week so quickly. So yeah, let me get a bit of adaptive cut on there, where I'm on the Hex Logic pads, which is on the green one, so it's a slightly softer one. So yeah, we'll use that one, and then I will go to the, I think it's the red finishing pad with the same adaptive cut again before it's then ready to be glazed and polished. But as I said, I'm not doing that at the moment. But yeah, enough of my waffle, let me get on. Right, so there it is. Here's that side. All done, apart from the wing down there, because I can't get the wing done at the moment, because it's still miles too soft. So I need little solvents to go out so it can go. But as you see, oh, excuse me, I've got quite a nice shine to it now, and the reflection, it's, well, if I can, it looks better in person than it does actually there. But there you go, there you go. Reflection of the Gulf in there quite clearly. It's hard work when you're working inside, because if any of you guys know what it's like doing stuff inside with body work and reflections and stuff like that, with all the UV lights, or not UV, artificial lights, that's what the words I was using. It's hard work to actually try and get it absolutely 100% perfect under that light, because it just doesn't give you the natural light. So I know that that's pretty good. So when I take it outside, it's going to look absolutely bang on. And you've got to think at the moment, all that paintwork I've done is, it's got no polish on it or anything. That is just pure bare paint. So once you get a few coats of polish on it, the shine's going to get deeper and deeper and deeper. I am half tempted to leave it for a little while as it is and ceramic coat it. So it really does protect it and stuff. But time will tell, I guess. It's just one of them ones. How far do I go to keep it protected and stuff? I'm quite happy to keep polishing it because I enjoy polishing things. So to me, polishing it's part of the fun of owning something like it, instead of ceramic coating it and then, yeah, forget about it, I suppose is what you say. So yeah, I've got the rest of the van to do, guys. So I'm going to get on with that and stuff over the next day or so. But just wanted to give you a little video this week and stuff to show you that I am still getting on with the T4, not just the Golf, it's that there. Waiting for the track roll end, well, drumstick to turn up for the Golf. I can get that done, and then I'm going to give it a good clean and stuff. So once that turns up, we'll get on with that. But yeah, I've just been getting on with the T4, but this video just really didn't go to plan. I was hoping to pick up the new wheels, put them on, show you them on, show you how much nicer they fit, as in width-wise, because they do. This is the most annoying part about it. They really do fit so much better, and with like a stainless lip, it really does suit the colour of the vehicle. So them wheels there, I think might be going. Do believe they might be going. So I just need to get another set of Dare F5s or Dare F6s, whichever ones I can find. So yeah, as I said, that didn't go to plan, but life is life. I'm sure I'll find something else to do. The problem I've got, guys, is as I've said before, I'm not rich by any means whatsoever. I'm just a normal average guy trying to make content for you lot as well as work and stuff like that and keep a house. It's not the easiest and stuff, and to be completely honest with you, a lot of you lot think that YouTube pays you massive money. It really don't. It really don't. Even now that we've just turned 4,000 subscribers, which I appreciate every one of you guys for that, it's I still only make about 45 to 50 quid a month, if I'm lucky. Some months I make about 30 quid a month. So it's one of those ones. It's hard. It's hard going to keep yourself motivated enough to keep doing it. But I enjoy making the videos for you guys, so that keeps me going, I suppose. So yeah, it's just one of them. Well, unfortunately, guys, if I can't find things second hand or pretty cheap, I struggle to actually buy the things, to be honest with you, to actually get the vehicles done, which is half the reason why I started doing things for myself years ago, because I can't afford to pay people to do it. So that's why I've taught myself to do most of the stuff. But unfortunately, I'd love to make better content for you guys with some amazing new products and stuff like that, but unfortunately money doesn't allow. So yeah, I'm stuck doing it the way I do it, but we get there in the end. On that side of thing and stuff, don't know if any of you guys have noticed and stuff, but the channel changed to RSMFG. There's a couple of purposes and reasons for it. One, the logos and stuff look a hell of a lot better, and it's still got RS, which is Rebuilding Salvage, and then MFG for manufacturing. It's just, that's how I've kept it, that's how I want to keep that one going. It looks really good as the logos for the merch and stuff like that. So please head on over and stuff, buy some merch, support the channel, support what we do, support the content we chuck out there for you and stuff. Because yeah, we do it all for free, guys. We don't ask for anything, not at all. And even though I'm saying about merch and stuff, I don't expect any of you to buy it. Just if you want to, yeah, we appreciate it and stuff. I got some limited designs that I'm working on at the moment and stuff, which are quite smart stuff, but which we're bringing to the channel as and when we do it and stuff. Unfortunately, we've got to do stuff through Spreadshirt, sorry, which we all admit we know is not the best, but I can't do it any other way because I haven't got infinite buckets of money to start off and chuck it all out there and stuff and keep it on the shelf. Might be able to in future build a website and do it as in you order it and then it gets shipped out at a certain time. I can't remember what it's called. It's in my head, but I've lost it. So that might be something in the future and stuff. So you order direct from us and stuff instead of them. We'll get better quality and stuff like that. But all stuff we got to look into and stuff. And two, I want to build a brand. I want to build a brand which I can work on other people's vehicles. I can do my merch. I can build things and sell it under a brand and stuff. And I thought that the RS MFG works a lot better than what Rebuilding Salvage. Because to be completely honest with you, I wouldn't want to wear something that had Rebuilding Salvage on it, but I happily wear something that had RS MFG on it, for example. The same with stickers and things like that. It just all works so much better. And over time, I want to build a complete brand which will work. So I don't know whether you lot agree or not, but that's my thinking of the reason for it. There's a few other reasons, but we won't go into them. But that's the main two reasons. Well, anyway, I'm waffling. Really am waffling. So I need to stop the waffle. What I do today, anyway. I got plenty of stuff to be getting on with that thing, and as it's getting on, I want to give it a rest in a little bit because my back ain't going to take much more. And I got kitchen to deliver tomorrow. Yay, lucky me. But right, anyway, guys, if you stay to this part of the video, then I really do appreciate you. And do us a favour as usual, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Please do hit the like thing because it does help the channel grow because it pushes up the algorithms. And if you can, guys, share it about. But until next one, guys, stay safe and I'll see you soon.